In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze frame in Clipchamp, 5 minutes. A freeze frame is a simple way to pause the action and draw attention to a specific moment, and you can do it entirely inside Clipchamp with just a quick screenshot and a few timeline edits. Start by launching Clipchamp in your browser and signing in. Once you're on the home screen, create a new video project. This gives you a clean timeline and the preview window where you'll build the effect. Next, import the video you want to edit. Click Import Media, then choose your file from your computer. After it appears in your media library, drag the video onto the timeline so you can work directly with it. Play your video in the preview panel and pause at the exact frame you want to freeze. Take your time to land precisely on the moment. Scrub slowly or use the play pause controls to fine-tune the position. Make sure the preview is showing the frame clearly at full size so your screenshot will be crisp. Now take a screenshot of that paused frame using your computer's snipping tool or print screen option. Capture only the video canvas if possible to avoid extra borders. Save the image somewhere easy to find. Head back to Clipchamp, click Import Media again, and select the screenshot you just saved. It will appear alongside your video in the media panel. Drag the screenshot onto your timeline, then split your original video clip at the point where you want the freeze to start and again where you want motion to resume. Use the scissor tool to make clean cuts on either side of the frozen moment. Placing these cuts accurately will keep the flow smooth. Move the screenshot so it sits between the two split parts of your video. Keep it on the same track as the main clip so everything stays aligned in the sequence. Adjust how long the freeze frame lasts by dragging the edges of the screenshot on the timeline. A second or two often works well, but extend it if you want extra emphasis. Finally, drag the surrounding video clip snugly against the screenshot to close any gaps. Preview the result from a few seconds before the freeze to confirm the pause is clean and that the transition back into motion feels seamless. And that's it. You've created a clear professional freeze frame in Clipchamp using a quick screenshot and precise timeline edits.